trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
What is a PALM account in Forex? A PALM simply means percent allocation money management. Account is a smart and hands-free way to earn from Forex trading without trading by yourself. Here's how it works. A professional trader, the manager, opens a PALM account with a Forex broker and starts trading with their own money. Investors like you open your trading account with the same broker that the manager used, fund it and link your funded account to the manager account without handing over your hard-earned money to the manager directly. The manager trades with their money and the system automatically copies those same trades to your investment. When the manager makes a profit, you also earn a profit, minus a small agreed fee, usually around 30%, paid to the manager. Note that the manager does not have direct access to the investor's money. The manager trades using their own funds, while the exchange bot repeats the same transactions for the investor's funds. Example, the manager invests $300, and you invest $200 equals $500 total. After successful trading, the account grows by 200% to $1,500. You now have $600. The manager gets a 30% fee from your $400 profit equals $120. Your final gain, $480. The manager earned $1,020. It's that simple. You keep control of your funds, and you earn based on the manager's skills. At Forex Algotech, we are your #1 trusted PALM account manager. We strongly believe in results, as you can see on our screen over the last 1 year. Join our PALM partnership community today for free and start earning from the financial world. Get back to whoever shared this video with you, and get started today with us. Thank you for watching.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your
Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry. I just quickly checked my time now. I realized that I'm delaying some people. I'm so sorry, please, guys. I mean, I'm doing some other things that took my time. All right. This class is not a class like normal class. So what I want to do is I just want to set up my account in front of everyone so that like yesterday, I didn't even plan for this, but yesterday like 2 or 3 people spoke to me and I don't even understand by now why people cannot still understand how to install simple indicator, because it's what you have done before. It's same price hunter you are using. So I don't know. So that's why I said, okay, let me take upon myself because I need to install my own. I need to upgrade my own so that before the market open, because I need the software to run my account. So I'll just follow the steps. I may not be able to talk to anyone. I will just keep on doing what I need to do, share the normal screen I need to share with you. And that is all. After the class, maybe the class or whatever I will call it, then if you have a question, you ask me. So let's go. So the first thing I need to do is to log into my, which I'm going to show us. Let me share the screen. Where is it? The first thing I want to do is to log into my FAT website, FOREX Agutech website, that is linked to the account that I want to set up, okay? So, because you know that from here, I'm going to need I'm going to need 3 things. So I think I'm logging to the right website anyway, because I have a lot of accounts I'm running. I think this is the one. So the first thing, you can have a pen and paper and write it down. So that, because if you call me for what I've took my time to explain again, I will not even answer you, for sure. So if you have a pen and paper, you just say 1, log into your FAT website. Okay, this is the website. Like I said, when I said the membership expiring time is now printed on the dashboard, this is what we did. And I make sure that it's very bold for you. Nobody should call me when is my software expiring anymore. Okay. Then I need 3 things here. I need my membership number, which is this, which I can copy from this small box. I need my email, which is this, and I need my token. These are the 3 things that links your account to your MT4. So you can't tell me I copy it and it doesn't work. If you copy it doesn't work, copy it properly. I'll do everything in front of everyone now, okay? So this is the first thing. The second thing is I need to log into the VPS where I install my MT4, the account I want to set up, okay? I'm going to shift the focus now to the VPS so that you will see what I want to do here. Okay, before I shift my focus, let us download the software we needed from the website. So I scroll down. This is the last software on the list, which is MTF Price Hunter. You can see it's an indicator. I even wrote it there, MT4. MT5 is not coming out now. I focus on MT4 because MT4 is what most people on Axis Select use. So I must take Axis Select client as my priority first. So I think plus or minus by towards the end of the month, MT5 of MTF Price Hunter will be out, okay? So the first thing is if your account is active, just click download. So I'm downloading it. Then it's finished downloading. I come to my my hard drive where I save it. Let me share. I don't know if can you confirm if you see if anybody see my drive? Did anybody see my drive? I don't even know where it is on downloaded now. Okay.
Yes, we can see it.
All right. Okay. If you can see it, I'm trying to see where they drop it. I don't know, maybe my computer have picked virus. It has started doing this for a couple of days now. Okay, let me re-download it. Right, I've downloaded it about, oh, good, this is it. But I don't know why it's not showing before. I'm going to, so not to confuse anyone, I want to do this. There's the folder. So this folder now, I'm going to right click on it because I can't install it like this. I want to extract it. So I'm extracting it now. So when you extract it, let me put it here, say extract. It's going to give us this. And inside that folder, that is where your...
Hello, sir. We can't see your folder. Is the FOREX Aglo we're seeing?
Oh, okay, it's FOREX Aglo. That's what I'm saying. If you cannot see it, but okay, let me try to share those area also. Now, did you see my direct my hard drive directory now?
Yes.
All right. So now this is where I downloaded it. Your computer may download on your document folder, whatever, but my download inside my download folder, you can see. So this is let me delete this first. So let me delete that one. So this is the downloaded version. You can see it's zipped. You cannot install anything zipped. So the first thing is you right click on it. If you are using Windows, then you extract it. So when you extract it, it will now open the folder. You see, this is the folder of the one I extracted. You can see there's no more zip. So this one, I don't need it. I can delete it. Okay. Now this is zipped. This is unzipped one. Inside this unzipped one, if I double click on it, I'll get this MTF FAT password. Then I'll click on it. This is what I'm looking for. This is software we want to use. MTF Price Hunter. Okay. Now, the next thing I need to do is to right click on this and copy. Copy it. Where am I taking it to? I'm taking it into my VPS of the account that I want to install it to. Okay. Now I've copied it. Let me now stop sharing this. I'm going to share my, what do we call it? I want to share my VPS, okay? So where is my VPS? I think that, okay, here is it. I share it. Please let me know if you see my VPS now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I come to file. I did this thing, the same thing I want to do now. I did it on Friday class. Despite that, people are going to their expert and go and delete their expert. Some people don't delete expert, they don't CMT4. I don't understand. Now, I come to open data folder. Open data folder. I open it. I click on it. It's going to open a dialog box. Did everybody saw the dialog box?
Yeah.
Good. This is MT4 folder. You open this folder by double clicking on it. Now we have expert. MTF Price Hunter is not an expert. It's an indicator. So now inside this indicator file, we open it. We saw all the indicators. We don't need them. Now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see the price hunter old version, which is this. Is your choice. You can leave it. You can delete it. In my own case, I want to delete it. I don't need that version anymore. I just click on it. I click my delete something at the top. Then I click in between. I right click again. I mean, I paste, this is a paste button. I paste the one I just downloaded. And this is it. MTF price hunter is been pasted inside where? Indicator folder. I'm done. Installation completed. So now I close it. Now that I've done that, what next do I need to do? I need to come to indicator here, right click, and refresh. Now I've refreshed it. I should be able to see the indicator among the indicators list here, which is here. You can see this is MTF price hunter. Okay, now I'm sure that is there. What am I going to do now? I'm going to take the first asset. Let me go to the first asset. Let me scroll to the first asset. I'm going to come to, this is the first asset. I place it on H4 time frame because the old version of price hunter we are using can only monitor H4, can only monitor one, what do we call it? Just one time frame at a time. So that is why I put it there. And you can see that it's, that old one can only monitor this. So what do I want to do here? The first thing I need to do here is to right click on this chart and come to indicators list. Indicator list. I click on it. I want to remove old price hunter because despite the fact that I've deleted it, it doesn't mean that it will leave my chart. It has been attached to my chart. So now I click on it, I say deleted. I deleted it, right? So you can see it's gone. And it's gone for good. So now I don't have any indicator anymore. I can now confirm again by right click. And when I right click on this option, you will never see indicator among them. That means I have 100% removed it. You can't install MTF price hunter on the old one. There will be misunderstanding between your platform. So you have to first of all make sure you wipe any record about old price hunter before you put in the new one. Now I have done that. Okay, so I now come to my price hunter, shifted it and put it on my first chart. This chart, this is a chart I want to use as my template. So I focus on one chart at a time. So I come to common. No, I don't need common because it's not an expert advisor. I come to input. Now you see your client ID, my email, my token. I've shown you the website before, so I'll just go to my website and grab these three information. So now I don't need to share that one with anyone again because we started from there. I grab my membership code. I pasted it there. I need the next thing is my email. Stop a situation whereby you pick from the bottom. It's a sequential series. Or you pick email first, then you pick token first, then you come back here. You don't need to do all those things. Now, the first thing is your client ID. Put it there. The second one is requesting for your email. I place my email there. The third one is requesting for my token. Here is the tips on token. When you generate token for the first time, don't copy that one you generated. Especially people that have just updated their account. If your account has expired, you just pay for the new license. We just give you new license. You have to generate the code for the first time. Don't use the first code. Close it. Refresh the page. Generate code again for the second time. Then you use that one. Most of the time, the first code you generated after you renew your license, they don't work because it still have the old license in the memory. That's why I normally tell people don't use the first code. Okay, in my own situation, I'm going to do the same because of this class, I just created this account. So I click get token. I'm not going to share the screen. I'm just going to tell you. I click the first token. It gave me the first token. I don't use it. I close it back. I refresh my page. Waiting for page to finish refreshing. And when page is refreshing, don't quickly go and click generate code again. Let your web page refresh 100% so that your database of your account is updated at my end. Otherwise, it won't work on your MT4. Now it has finished. Then I click get token button again. It gave me the code. Then I pick the second code. Then that's the second code I'm going to infuse here. Done. Okay. Now I want to come to time frames. The time frame, the current. If I put it like this, it's going to use H4, which is my current time frame. Okay. But I don't want to trade like that any longer. I want to trade 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. That is the signal I'm looking for going forward. Going forward, that is the signal I am looking for. Okay. So every other thing remain the same. I don't need to change anything. The only thing I need to make sure is alert is on, is to make sure all these alerts are on. Not even all of them, but just leave it because I don't need mail alerts. I don't need it. I don't need pop-up alert on my screen because it's on my server. Push alert is what I need so that my phone can tell me when signal comes out. But for the sake of I don't want any problem, you can leave it as true. It is not going to kill you. It's not going to affect much, though it's going to take memory of your VPS, and I'm going to explain something later. So you can see what I alter. I just put this information, I alter this. That is the only thing you need to alter, unless you are good enough to understand some of these parameters and change them at your own risk. So now, after I did this, before I do anything, I want to save it. Good. Now I'm saving this as MTF underscore price under PH. Then I say save. You can save it at anything you want. That's what I choose. So, and I say okay. You see, it's telling me that my input is wrong. I don't know the reason, but I need to regenerate it. It's not a big deal. So I come back here, I put, let me do this before I put it because I'm using 1 hour as my starting time frame. Let me put on my 1 hour already. You understand? Then I put it back. Then I I can do the same thing. Let me load what I've saved. I'm going to load it back. There's only one thing that can miss in that scenario, and that is the code. This code is very sensitive. So I need to close it again and refresh my page. Let me see, maybe I even put the proper 6541349. Okay, because if I didn't put my login account number detail properly, it can cause trouble for me. Then I regenerate the token. No, let me refresh this website again. All right, then I click generate token again. I copy the new token. I put it this only place that I think there could be problem. Okay, so now I want to save it again. You can see the reason why it gave the first error. That means even when I generate the first token, I refresh it, it's still recognizing the old token that is on my database. So you just need to refresh. You don't need to rush anything. Refresh your page again, generate new code. And you can see now that it didn't give any error message again. The new code I put is fine. Now, it's not finished. I need to now do something. For me not to keep on doing this on every asset I put on. What do I need to do? I will remove my robot from this page, from this first one. Remember that I've put robot on every asset before. The robot is not on shelf because my shelf has edge. That's why you don't see the robot here, okay? If you go to pounds, the pounds has edge, you will not see the robot there. But you remember on Friday class, we have roll over our pounds. So this week, pounds will start running on my account. All right. So I'm going to put the robot here, but I want to show you something. But US Japanese yen is not edge. My robot is on top. So for me not to make a mistake, there are two approaches I can use. You choose anyone that is suitable for you, anyone that is okay for you. But I will explain it, okay? I can come here and remove my robot, then save this as my template, okay? Then I put my robot back. Then I will now start using that template for every other one. When I put the template, I put the robot, I put the template, I put the robot. That's the first approach. The second approach, I might leave the robot. The second approach, I might leave my robot as it is. Just come to the second one. Click my H1. Drag my robot, what do we call it now? My price hunter, then we load the settings. If I use this approach, I can use templates. I'll just load the settings and I'll say, okay, that is completed. Then I'll do everything like that. Everything, because I don't want to remove the robot. I'll do that. But if I want to remove the robot, I'll just save it as a template. I'll load all the templates one by one, but it's almost the same thing. So maybe you leave your robot like that and you just keep on updating the pH, our pH settings one by one. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So I come to the other one. I'm going to do everything in front of us, but if you are busy or you don't have time to wait till we finish everything, I've shown you the basic thing. You can. So I'm going to take my patience to load everything bit by bit. And I have about 6 portfolio to do this too today before the market open. So you see, I've done this one also. I'll come to the next one. Make sure I did H1. If you don't do H1 and you use these settings, your price hunter will not function properly.
So, sir, it has to be on H1 because you started with H1, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you have to
H1,
put it on
H1
H1
is
before you put the robot.
H1 is our time frame 1. This is H4 is time frame 2, and daily is time frame 3.
Okay.
So if your time frame 1 is H4, that means your chart must be on H4. Is that clear, Mr. Babs?
Yes. Yes.
Good. What is that? Let me say H1. Oh, okay. I've made some mistakes along the way, but I am going to check. Did you remember that I didn't go and remove old pH price hunter? So you see, it's there. It will be there. You see? So I forgot to do that. See, my mind just flashed back. So what I'm going to do now is I've done it for Oxy. So let me just put Oxy. And put it. So you have to be patient because it's just like that, you know. So it's coming, but I need to come back here and do the right click. Come to indicator list. You see, the old one is still on top. I need to remove it. Please. That's why I'm even doing this in the class in front of everyone. So you understand what we are doing. What is it? Indicator list. The old one is on top. I remove it. It's not, naturally it's not supposed to be active, but it can start misbehaving when markets start opening. But there are a lot of stuff that broker always do with our account too at the back end. So for us to be sure that we did the right thing, so we don't need to be lazy about it, okay? Good. So we come back from Oxy, we go to Euro JPY, Euro pounds, put it on H1, right click on it, indicator list. We want to remove the old one. We want to put the new one. Then I put the new one. I load. Then I come to another one. Oh, let me go back here. You see, this is what happened in those olden days of mine. Did I see a line now? That I normally draw a line on higher time frame to go and check. Maybe they align on lower time frame, but thank God we are out of that kind of a situation now. So the system do everything for us. So come back to H1, right click, indicator list, remove, delete, close, Put it here, yeah. Then we click OK. You can see that nothing touch our robot. Our robot is there. It's fine. Everything is okay with it. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Everything is okay with our robot. It's fine. Okay? So the only thing we are doing now is we are replacing the price hunter. But because we want to keep our robot there and replace only the price hunter, we cannot create a template. Please don't create a template with a robot. Please. Don't create a template with the robot. I'm going to show us what is going to happen along the way. After I finish what I need to do properly, then I come to H1, right click, indicators, this. After the class, I'm going to make sure that I uploaded this information immediately so that some people who are not in the class can quickly get access to it before the market open and do their own account as well. See, I put it there. Then I come back to NZ, switch H1, right click, indicator list, remove the old one, then put this, load the settings. Okay. So we done that one. We come to this one, H1, right click, indicator list, this, delete, close, this, load, this, okay. Okay, we come to this one, H1, remove the indicator, the old one, come here, delete, okay, load, reset, all right. So let me pull out the remaining stuff. I think I'm one of those people that have 28 PS. So if you are trading $500, please just stick with 8 major pair so that I don't trade high spread pairs. If you have $500 or less, you can stay away from because as you see my own here, there's some spread of 20 pips here. So I load it. Research. Here is it. Here we go. See. H4. Remove, put it on H1. Remove the indicator. See, it's a patient work, but it's not difficult. Don't do it when you want to play with your kids or you are playing with your friends because you can make the mistakes. You have a concentration. Hello? Hello, sir. Good morning. Morning, sir. Please, can you give me like an hour's time? I'm in a class now. Oh, sorry. I'll call you in an hour's time. Okay. Yes. So right click. I don't know, maybe I've done that. See, my mind has, okay. Actually, if you have done it, you won't see indicator here anymore. So now, enter, put it load, presets. Okay, done. Right. Come to AUDNZ, 1 hour. Indicator, remove it, delete, close it, put it back, load. Okay, done. Okay. 1 hour, indicator list. You can take a break if you are in the comfort of your house and you have this kind of asset. You can take a break and come back later if you cannot take, if you are lazy like me. You cannot sit down for a very long time. Though me, I sit down for a long time. I can sit down like this for 3 days without standing up. So you come back H1. Delete. Put the new one. Load the presets. Great. Good. Done. Come on. H1. Indicator list. Remove the old one. Delete. What else again? Okay. My brain is relaxing now, so I've forgotten things now. So we can't finish all this, and some people will still be calling me, sir. I don't know what to do or what. You can see the way we are. I did everything in front of everyone, you know. So please, I'm going to drop the video immediately I stop this class now in the group so that you watch it and set up your account. So we load the presets. Done. Come here. Each one. Right click, indicators. See, delete. Yeah, done. Each one. Right click, indicator list. Remove. See. Okay. We put it new one. Load the preset. Done. Right. Card shelf. 1 hour. Okay. Right. Done. Then the last one. Each one. Remove. Put the indicator. Load. This preset. Okay. And this. Done. So this is how you're going to update your old indicator to the new indicator. Now I want to come to my account history. I want to right click here and I want to make sure I do custom settings. This only need on your server. Make sure that your custom setting is today. The reason is that so that you don't weigh down your server speed. You don't put too much load on the server. That's why I did that. Another thing I will tell you to do should be in case there's a problem in future or you want to migrate your account, come to your file, come to profile, save as. I'll put MTF price hunter version. I do this every time to all my account. I'll say, okay. Now, I've done this. If you come to your file and come to your profile, you will see that currently we are using this profile. Okay. Now, I just need to do this because I don't want a situation whereby you want to migrate your account tomorrow or something happened, you have to pass through all these things we did manually again. So you come to this file, open data folder, you come to profile, you can see it, profiles. I want to copy this folder, this folder now. I'm gonna copy it and come and save it on my local laptop. So if anything happens, instead for me to go through everything, I'll just come and install the file back into the to the profile and launch it, and everything will come out again the way we set it. That's just a bonus for us in the class, because I make sure I equip myself to understand how to use the platform beyond trading alone to help myself. So you can do this if you can go to the extreme to that level and keep this folder on your personal computer. This folder you can even keep it in your email. Should be in case anything happen along the way and you have to start reinstalling everything again. You don't need to do that. You just copy that folder on your local computer. You come and put it. You come to open data folder profile and paste it here again and close it, and you just come to file, you come to profile, you pick this, and everything will come out the way we are seeing it again. So this is how I updated my account. I'm still going to do 6 more today, but I just have to do them one by one. So because I've done everything I need to do, my robot is on my account. What else? I've updated my new price hunter. I will need to close all this so that my server will have breathing. I normally tell you this is a paid server, it's not AWS, but still I need to monitor it. I need to make sure that I don't overload it. If you look at it, this what did I do now? Oh, okay. This is another account. I'm going to do this one today. You can see how many accounts we have done this. I need to do this, which is 1, 2, 3. Then I'm bringing another 3 on another server. All of them need to be updated before the market open today so that I can be able to trade them. So I empty my bin so that I always protect my server from having any unnecessary load. Though it's a paid server, very strong than AWS, but at the same time, I can't put loads on it unnecessarily. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop the class. This is the only thing we need to do today. We know we don't normally have Friday class. I mean Sunday class, but I just have to do this in front of anyone. Then, Madam Esther.
Yes, I was able to download and go through all the procedure just like the way you showed us.
Okay.
But the problem I was facing was when I refresh it from the market watch, the indicator under the market watch, when I refresh it, the new price center is not appearing for me to put in my details.
Okay. I'm going to log in. You give me
So
access.
that's the challenge that I'm facing now.
You give me the access, but you are doing something wrong.
Sir.
Okay, it's fine. Now,
you.
before I start answering the question, let me call Raina. Is Raina here?
Yes, sir.
Raina, and there's another guy, but the guy is not here. Two people. All of you, those three people use Mark.
Yes,
Mark.
sir.
So you have to be extraordinarily careful. Mark, you can't do what we did straight away. So inside the Mark, you download from your website to your Mark. Then you copy everything because Mark will never let you extract whatever because it's not a Mac operating system files. So you copy it from your Mac to your VPS, which is window. Inside your VPS, you are going to do your extraction. Then you delete the file later when you are done because your VPS is running window operating system. Your Mac is not running Windows. So three of you that you are using Mac in the class, that is how you do it so that you don't get frustrated along the way that you start calling me. You have to download from the website to your Mac. But on your Mac, you cannot extract. So you have to copy all the folder you download from the website directly to your VPS first because your VPS is running window. On your VPS, you'll be able to extract your file. Then you continue
Okay.
with what we are doing. Okay, Miss Anne Taylor, Madam Anne.
Yes, good day to you. Just before you did profile, you did something short, which I missed. That is the first time I see that, and I didn't get it. Before you did this profile, before you updated profile, there was something you did there.
I don't know.
That you said we should always do, but it's the first time I see that. I'm not sure what it is.
I don't. Maybe somebody will help us too, because I'm just going straight.
I think it's saving the template or something. You said.
No, I come to save.
No.
I come to profile.
After we save the template, there was something you did, and it was fast. I didn't get it.
Maybe I come to open data folder. I come to profile. I copy this profile, copy it. I make a copy of this folder. I keep it on my local laptop. That if
before that, I got that one. Before that, there was something else that you did. Updated something. I don't know what it is.
Okay, that means the only
thing is saving the templates, I believe.
Okay, the only way we can get the answer is Miss Annie.
That's from profile.
Madam Annie, you will need to go and watch the video. I'm recording everything I'm doing.
Okay, fine. And then there's one other thing. You said we should not create the template with the robot on the chart, and you tell us why.
If you create the template with a robot and you started putting the template on your chart, then that means okay, for example, let me do that in front of everyone. Let me see. You can see I have a robot here, and I have my
we're not seeing your chart. Sorry.
You're not seeing my chart. I've not changed anything.
No.
Who is not seeing my chart again?
You can see.
Huh?
It can be seen.
I can see.
And I didn't change anything. You should be able to see my chart.
Oh, what's going on?
If you don't see my chart, log out from the meeting and log in back. I don't know. because I didn't change anything. I've not changed anything. I've not touched Zoom. I'm just sharing the page. Can I continue the class? Anne?
Yes.
All right. So now
I think she's out. I don't know.
she's out. Okay, let me wait for her because she's the one that asked the question.
I'm back on, thank you. I see the chart now.
All right. Here we have the robot. We have the indicator. Now you remember that we can save this as our template. I come to template. I save as. Now I can save this template as, okay, let me just say class test because I don't need it. So now I save this template. Immediately I save it. This template is going to save my robot and save everything. Now let me just do something. Let me create one account, which is minor. Let me create something that my brain will quickly know. I don't want to mess up things for myself. Now let me come here, show all, because I need to, yeah. I want to use something that it will be easy for me to remember and close after I explain. Let me do metals. Let me do metals because I don't have gold on this account. Let me see meta 2. Okay. This silver. You can trade all this, guys. You can trade all this. The metals. You can trade the metals. Just know what you are doing, please. I would just want to put gold. I don't trade gold on my axis select. So now, look at what is going to happen. If I click here and I come to template and I load class, what did I call it? I called it class test, okay? If I load it, you see everything shows. Even my robot shows. Even my this indicator shows. But what could be the problem? The problem is the robot will start misbehaving when the market is running. Because the robot don't supposed to be saved as a template. It's supposed to be attached to the website separately, not as, attached to the chart separately, not as a template. So if you do the template like this and you just keep on attaching, you have beat, in your mind, you've beat a lot of time. But this robot is going to start misbehaving because robot cannot be attached as a template. Indicator is what we use to attach as a template. That's why I said don't save it as a template. If you want to use the method I use, if you don't want to use the method I use, like maybe you remove the robot from all your charts, like I did, you can save this one as a template and you attach the template all through, then you start putting the robot back one by one. So the reason why I don't use that approach, because it ends up to become the same thing, okay? But don't do away from saving a robot and indicator as a template. Then you keep on, if we do that, it's going to save our time. We are going to apply everything faster, but the danger is the robot will misbehave. Tendency that the robot will misbehave is very, very high. I think I answered the reason why I said don't create a template with robot. Madam Enin, did I answer your question?
You did. Thank you. Thank you. You did. Thank you.
Okay, so let me remove it. I don't need it. Mr. Babs, you raise up your hand.
Yeah, yes, sir. Just want to ask, how often should you reboot your server?
If you are using AWS, you have to reboot anytime you can log into it because it's free. And even me, you can see that I'm running a live VPS now because my business is becoming bigger and bigger. I can't be depending on free thing. So it depends on you. If you feel like, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. If you feel like The free one is bothering you, you switch and buy. If you cannot buy, anytime you log into you want to log into your VPS and it's giving you error message, go and reboot it as many times as possible. But make sure you don't reboot during the week, during the market hours.
Yeah.
It can be dangerous. Mr. Ade AJ.
Yes, please. From what you have said, anytime if you want to trade, your time frame must always be on H1, is it?
No.
Now after this new
No,
installation.
I didn't say that.
Okay.
Your time frame can be on whatsoever time frame you want to trade with. Let me go back here. This is the time frame I trade. I'm a day trader. I want to start monitoring my account from 1 hour, 4 hours daily. If you want to be a scalper, go and look. I will load, when I load the Friday class, you can go and see why we are putting what we are putting. I explain in that class. So, but this is what I want to trade with Axis Select. And this is what I will advise anybody trading Axis Select to use. Unless you know that, no, I'm a professional, I understand this, I can manipulate this, I can understand what is going on. Then you can do otherwise. But this is what I advise anybody using Axis Select to use. But it's not that I have to stereotype you that you just must use it. No, there's nothing called must. Everything is dynamic. That's why you come here, you see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, weekly, monthly is dynamic. You take your decision, but take the decision that you can handle, a decision you understand. If you don't understand it, why can't you use what we say in the class? And when we are doing our training continuously, you start asking questions, you start knowing more, then you can start fiddle with the settings. That would be my own advisor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I think Anne again. Okay, Anne, well, your hand is up.
Sorry, just one question on what you just said. You use 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Does it have to be sequential, or could it be like 1 hour daily, weekly? I'm just using something for an example. Does it have to be sequential?
Everything must be sequential. It doesn't make sense when you know that 1 hour come before 4 hours, but you now in your own setting, you put 4 hours before and you put 1 hour below.
No, that's not what I mean. Sorry, that's not what I meant. What I meant is, could it be 1 hour, then daily, then weekly? Would that work? No,
you can't jump one time frame.
Okay, all right.
No, actually, there's nothing that cannot work. Wait, let's do it. There's nothing cannot work, but the more you make things complicated for yourself, the more you answer your question when it comes. Just ready to play, they're ready to dance to the music. Because me, I don't want to limit anybody's thinking. I don't like doing that. So let's see what we can do with that. Now we put let me bring the dialog box out again. Where is it? We put it here. Then Anna, can you tell me what you are saying? Let's put it in front of everyone.
Yes. TF1, what if you put 1 hour for TF1? Time frame
okay.
1 hour, and then time frame 2 would be daily, day 1 day, and then the next one 1 week. Would it also work?
Let's put it. Good. Let's make it clearer. So now you can see one thing that I first of all say that it didn't automatically initiate itself, but you can switch to daily, which is the next time frame. Now you can see that it switched itself on. Then you can switch back to H1. Let's see what is happening. Okay, don't let me use this. Let me do justice to your question. Okay, let me do this. Don't let me use gold. Gold doesn't follow normal patterns. that other things follows. So let's use pounds USD. So I know that I'll delete it. It's after anything I did after gold. Gold and anything I did after gold. We're going to remove it. We'll remove them. So let me remove the make it a candle pattern. So we see it. Then let me put it back. Let's load. Okay, now we say 1 hour daily and weekly. So good. The reason why I have to do it this way is because gold doesn't follow many patterns that other things follows. It's a very crazy asset. So I don't normally even use it to do my example for anything I'm doing. You can see that pounds react immediately. You know, you can see that pounds react immediately. So yes, you can do that, Anne, but be very careful because you look at what I want to show you something here. You can do it. It's possible because you can see he recognizes it. But one thing you can see now that weekly is not here. So you can this can be this weekly signal is not here. That means this can be like this for the next 1 year without a single trade. You can put it like this. You can put these settings and there won't be any trade for the whole 1 year. Let's prove it. Let's prove it. This is July. Sorry. This is October. So let's back test. When last did we get signal if we use these settings? We are on September now. We didn't get a signal. We are in July. We don't get a signal. We are in June. No signal. Please, you can help me also check so that it won't be only me. I can make the mistakes. We are in February. No signal up to February. Yes, sorry, I saw something here.
Maybe because it's weekly, it's a long period.
Yeah, there's
Maybe if we use
so no signal. We are now in 2023, no single signal. That means if you use this setting in 2023, you are still going to be in the market waiting, no single signal, no single trade will show up on your account. So that's why when you are plotting a time frame, make it a reasonable one. Make it a reasonable one. It can delay you for a very long time. So that will be.
Can you try one more one? If you tried like M30H4D1.
There's nothing you can do. Let's do that, and the remaining one you go and do it as your own practical something. But let's do the last one. I normally give. So you said what?
If we did say M30.
30 minutes.
Then H4. D1.
D1. Then we have to put this on M30. Because that's where we started for. Yeah, you can see there are 3 signals that came up here.
Okay.
And that was October. And even days, October 2nd, we have 1 signal on that. We have 1 signal. September 26, 27, 28 or so. We have 1 signal. And this is a selling signal here also, which is around September 17. So we can see that maybe in less than 2 months, we have about 4 signals. So you can back test, you can scroll back and see how active your daily selection, your time frame selection is. So, but anything is possible. You can try, you can figure out You can fiddle, you can try, you can practicalize everything. The most important thing is the basic things you need to understand is what I've taught in the class. So,
Okay.
yeah. But please, when you are doing it, make sure that you don't involve money till you get what you are looking for. Because if you go and put it on your real account, you are playing with a catastrophe with the money. Okay, so and I cannot assure you, especially Annie, I cannot assure you a crypto because I know you like crypto. I've seen the way you have been plotting them. I can't assure you anything on crypto because crypto doesn't follow normal patterns. You know, let me try the most active crypto is Bitcoin. Let's see. Do we have Bitcoin here also? No, I don't think we have Bitcoin, but we have Bitcoin Cash. Okay, let's try it because I have seen you last time when you have issue with your account. You focus on crypto. I don't do crypto, but I can't say people cannot do it. My strategy can trade anything. I used to tell anyone, but you have to do your personal research before you put it on money. Before you put it on money, please. So let's put it there. Let's load it. Let's use that. You can see it's plotted and it came out. But let's see, where did we get? Did we get a signal? Let's see, maybe we'll get a signal. Did I put 1 hour? First, let me check. Is it on 1 hour? Yeah, it's on 1 hour. Based on what I am using. Let's see. Do we have any signal? I think you don't have signal for a very long time on this one too. So you have to start figure out which time frame crypto can use with you. You know, crypto doesn't move the way currency move. Its own pattern is different completely. I'm not saying you cannot trade crypto with it, but just have to take your time. I'm a real currency trader, so all my settings are always for currency. But any other thing you want to trade indices, you want to trade gold, you want to trade commodity like silver, copper, all this thing can work with all of them, but you have to figure out your time frame that you are going to set to trade with them. So I can't say you should not trade them, but just have to know that you have to do your own research on their time frame. So having said this, I think I need to stop the class here and then see that there's no more questions. And I wish everybody a fruitful, profitable week for every one of us. Set your account properly. For those of you that when you see that Robert is trading, Robert opened 2-3 trades on the same pair, and immediately you see $1 profit, you quickly go and close it. I didn't teach that in my class. When you open the trade, let Robert manage it. The only account you can manage by yourself is account that has edge. Any account that has not edge, leave it for Robert. I think I have a sample of what I'm saying here on this account. You can, let me see if I can do, I think 3 days behind. This is 5. Let me see, around that Thursday. No. Thursday, no. Let me see, Wednesday, I don't know. But let me just give, let me see if I will see example of what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is, you can see ZJPY, my ZJPY. You see, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. You see the ZJPY. I open only one trade when signal comes. Robert opened the second one and Robert opened the third one. I didn't say because Robert opened the second one and the second one became $4, I quickly come and pick it. I left everything in sequential the way Robert opened it. And at the particular time, Robert is the one that closed everything by itself, not me. This is what I'm saying. Many of us, I've seen many of us, and some people know themselves in the class as I saw one or two people that are doing that to the account. When you place buy or you place sell, walk away from your computer. If you are the one that lack discipline, use razor blade or knife. Go to your kitchen. If you are the one that you cannot control your finger, go to your kitchen, get a knife, cut yourself, and put a plaster so that you know that you don't need to go and click again. You can discipline yourself that way. Some of us lack emotional discipline. You want to be clicking every time. You want to be in front of your computer, closing $1, closing 50 cents. That is not the way. That shows that you are lack discipline. And then you raise up your hand again.
Yes, you said the robot opened the second.
I didn't.
Sorry,
Okay, I said
New
the
Zealand.
robot. You open the first trade. That's the way we are
Yes.
trading. Then the robot keep on managing your account. The robot open the second, third,
Yes.
fourth, fifth, sixth. Don't close them. Leave the robot
I'm
to close
looking at
everything.
that example.
Yes.
I just want to ask a question on that example that you
Okay,
opened there.
this example.
The first one that the robot opened,
Yeah.
I noticed
No.
that the
The
size is
first,
different.
the first one is not the robot open. I'm the one that opened the robot when I opened the first trade. When I saw the signal, I opened this myself. Buy.
And the one under that, who opened that? The one next.
Robot
The one
open,
under that one.
Robot open this and robot open this. You can only open one trade yourself.
Oh, the one of 0.1, who opened that one?
Robot open it.
On a different size. That's what I want to ask.
Robot will open it
It's a
because it's
different.
one is it can't do the same size. He managed the trade for you. We have programmed the robot to manage the trade. And then I've been telling you this several times. We have had many accountants face to face. This is our robot. Our robot, we said, must be in FIBO. And it must give a dollar cost average of 500 points, which is 50 pips. I started my take profit on my account is $5 per trade. And the take then I comes here. I've done this for you several times, Anne, personally. I came here, I said 99 martingale level, and I choose 3. Some people choose 4, but I choose 3. Why did I choose 3? I choose 3 because if my first trade, my second trade doesn't close, my third trade must close at 1 cent. Okay, so and that's what the robot did. I opened this first trade 0.05, and the robot keep on opening the remaining one when the market fails. He opened the second one 0.05, which is because of FIBO, and he opened the third one 0.1. And this third one is the one that closed all the trade. I think the third one or fourth one. Let me even check. Because me, I don't even bother myself. Yeah, you can see it's the fourth one. Because we use FIBO. What is the meaning of FIBO? FIBO means Fibonacci, that Fibonacci normally draw on your chart. That FIBO, you have what we call retracement percentage. If you are the one, and I've seen FIBO, I think I saw FIBO on your platform, Annie, sometimes ago. So
that is correct, but I don't know how it works in the
you don't need to know how it works here because we code it. So, but I'm just giving you example that your responsibility is to open the first trade. Robot manage the second, third, fourth trade for you. So if you look at this trade, I open only one trade myself. And the robot opened all other trade as a supporting trade based on the distance of dollar cost average I put. And I told the robot that after third trades, I want profit of 1%. 1 cent profit, because I cannot hold. Again, I just want a reset of my trade because I want to quickly go out of a failure trade. And I want to come out with 1 cent. And if you look at what is happening here, this is the first trade. I opened this manually with my hand. And robot opened this second trade. The robot opened this, the third, sorry. No, that means I'm matching this together. The robot opened this, the third trade. And if you add all this trade together, the answer must be must be 1 cent. It cannot do above that because I've already put it that 1, 2, 3 trades. 1, 2, 3 trades. I want 1 cent. Look, it's here in the robot. 3 trades, 1 cent. Annie, it's so simple. It's not confusing unless you are confusing yourself. Why 3 trades? Each trade must have 50 pips. Different. Go and look. You can grab my screen at your end. Look at the first trade and look at the price. Look at the second trade. Look at the price. If you remove these 2 trades from each other, it's a 500 point. I can quickly do that for you. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 5 minus 5, that is 0. 6 minus 5, that is 5. 502, which go agree with the 500 points that we are talking about. So the robot open trade after 500 points. And if you come to this bottom one, you can do the same thing I did above. If you remove this 85.653 from 86.115, you still get around 500 points. Robot does all this thing accurately. Human being cannot do it accurately. And it does it faster. So that is what is here. What is here is what is here, what you put here is what you are going to see as a result. So
sorry to ask about the 0.1, the size of the 0.1.
What? I don't understand what is the question again.
The size of that of the second one that the robot opened is 0.10. Size of the trade.
The size is 0.05.
0.10. That one.
Yes, because we are using martingale with dollar cost average. Now the robot opened I opened this when I got a signal 0.05. The robot opened the second one 0.05 to see maybe there will be retracement and close my account at $5. There's no retracement. The market moved against me, and the robot add this and this together and gave me 0.1 lot size. The robot plays it again. It's the robot that do the calculation, do the addition, do everything, not me.
And the third one, I just want to see how it progressed from there, because it went back to 0.05.
It didn't.
The next one.
The next one is USD Japanese yen. They are not the same sequence.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Sorry, I missed that. Sorry. Okay. I understand.
All right. Let's stop here because I want something of 30 minutes. Maybe we have already spent 2 hours. So it make it easy for the other people that want to look at the video before the market open. We meet on Tuesday. By God's grace, goodbye to everyone. Bye.